Well, tonight I am making a super easy cleaning solution for your bathroom. So I like to use a spray just because I can get it everywhere and it's much easier and quicker, and who's got time to clean a bathroom. And you can do it also after the shower and it just, you know, sprays it down. So with that in mind, I've got a really simple 4-ingredient recipe to show you. So what you need is a bottle. So I use amber glass. You don't have to use glass. Any sort of bottle will do. So this is actually 500 ml, but for this recipe you only need 400. So in your bottle, I want you to mix 250 ml of distilled water. So here's one I've prepared earlier. So distilled water is used over normal tap water because it's had all the impurities removed. So it's been steamed, and the steam creates the distilled water. So I just got that from the supermarket. That's what the bottle looks like. I don't know where else it's sold, I just happened to see it, so I bought it. So 250 ml of distilled water, and then you put half a tablespoon of bicarb soda in. I probably should have done that first, it's wet. And then you just swirl that around gently. Just to mix it around, and then you want to put in 20 mils of Castile soap. So Castile soap is just a vegetable oil-based soap, and it's named after the same region in Spain, Castile. So put that in. I'm using my kids' medicine container. And then you want to put 20 to 40 drops of essential oils. So it's up to you as to what you use. I'm using a mix of lemon and peppermint. So between them, they're antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal. So let's see if it will come out. And I always lose count, so I'm not sure I'm not the only one. Right. And that, my friend, is it. So let's put... So if you want a smaller bottle, just halve the ingredients. I originally got the recipe off my Clean Living Clinic.com.au, and they suggested halves, but I've got a bigger bottle, so I just did that. So to use, you just spray it on, leave it for 10 minutes, and then wipe it off with a soft cloth. Don't need one of those abrasive cloths. And then rinse it down if it's needed, and it works really well on the glass as well. So that's it. Really simple. 4 ingredients, one of which is water. And bicarb you can get either in a supermarket, or you can get ingredients from Clean Living Clinic as well. They have a whole range. And some essential oils. So I don't have any of the big names, but you might have some of the big names. It doesn't matter, as long as they are a top grade. So that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you're going to give it a go, or if you already use some green cleaning products, and yeah, let me know how you go. All right, that's it for tonight, guys. We'll see you next Wednesday.